Hey guys, welcome back to Motorcycle Maintenance Channel. On this episode, we're going to show you how to install a Screaming Banshee horn on this R6 motorcycle. Stay tuned. First thing we're going to do is remove these two spade connectors from the horn. Pull up there. Pull up. Alright. Next, we're going to get an 11 millimeter socket. With our bottom hand, we're going to hold it still, and we will loosen it up. And our factory horn is disconnected. The Screaming Banshee. All right. Supplied hardware. So we use the factory washer. If at all possible. Looks like that one has screw. It's a little bit shorter, so we'll disregard the washers to allow for more clearance. Alright.
You didn't do the horn before, Lonnie.
The sound of the horn?
Well, whatever. I'm sure any sport bike stock horn would be fine.
You could do it on James's and say it's yours.
Sure.
There we go. So we had to take out two washers and this little inner bracket just to give us enough clearance to grab onto this piece. So this is also an 11. Nope. So the one for the Screaming Banshee is going to be smaller, probably a 10. Works. I'd like to take this piece out. Take that out. And that should actually allow us enough clearance now to use our washers. So we'll put our washers in. Alright, so might not have enough clearance for that top washer. It's okay because the nut they provided for us is flared out on the bottom. I'm gonna have to use a washer. The inner brackets are out. Perfect. So just the upper washer, not the lower washer, not the inner brackets. That'll give us enough clearance to get this installed on the factory bracket, which is important to keep in place because it holds the brake lines up. Now, plug in our spade connectors. There we go. And that's how you install a Screaming Banshee horn on an R6 motorcycle. Alright guys, so we're done installing the Screaming Banshee horn on this R6 motorcycle, and this is what it sounds like. Little disappointing, but hey, you saw it here first.